Most lead scraping tutorials make you build the system yourself. You're using complicated Google searches, browser extensions, scraping tools, spreadsheets, email verifiers, and even ChatGPT just to try and get a usable list. And even after all that, the contact details are often unreliable, the tools don't always work together, and you can waste hours cleaning up the list before you even start outreach. But this AI lead scraper puts the whole workflow in one place. You can search for local businesses, run multiple lead searches at the same time, verify the contact details, enrich the leads, and export everything in a few clicks. And before I show you how to set this all up real quick, let me show you exactly what kind of leads you'll be able to generate here. So here we're looking for yoga studios in Anaheim, and you can see all the names of the studios here. You can see the category, the address, their websites, their phone numbers, their emails, Instagram, LinkedIn. We even have personalized messages written for each of them so we can really do quick outreach. And this is trained on your own business and the products and services you offer. And we actually have valid and high quality emails here, and we can see the validation status so that we're only reaching out to verified valid email addresses. And you can run this for basically any industry. Here, just to give you an example, I'm doing a video game arcade in Toronto, any gaming stores, right? So you can get super niche here, and you could do dentists, law firms, anything you can think of in terms of a local business, you can scrape that. So you can use this to generate hundreds of leads for any niche, and setting this up takes less than 5 minutes. So let me show you. So the tool we'll be using for this is called Leadomator, and you can click the link below. You'll be taken to this page where you can try it for free. So just hit get free leads, then choose your operating system. I'm on Mac. If you're on Windows, choose Windows. Then you have to agree to this and then enter your email address and hit email me the links. Then you'll get an email with the installers, and just install the app depending on your operating system. If you're on Mac, you're just dragging Leadomator into applications. If you're on Windows, I think there's just an installer you click through. Then open the app, and it may download some additional components as needed. And when it's done, just hit go free for now, enter your email address, and enter the 6-digit code you get in your email. So once that's done, now your account is created and the app is activated. You can scrape 500 rows per day and export up to 200 leads at a time. And then you just choose your language and hit continue. Okay, so now before we look for some leads, let's customize a few things. So go to settings, then go to AI, and then scroll down and you'll see your website. And all you need to do is enter your website and hit scan website, and it's going to fill all of this in for you, and I've already done it, as you can see here. And then all you need to do is customize a few things. You can add anything here that you need to, or make any adjustments. And what this is doing is actually training the AI on your business so it knows the products and services that you offer, so that it can find targeted leads for you, and it can write targeted outreach for you, which I'll show you a little bit later in the video. Next, click scraping, and here you can choose the types of data that we want to get back. So you can see this is on by default, and you can add some other stuff, like maybe you want to add, say, Instagram and LinkedIn, or maybe you want Twitter and Facebook. I'll just do Instagram and LinkedIn here, because maybe we want to not just email them and say call or text them, but we also want to DM them, let's say on Instagram and LinkedIn. So you can also look for that. And it will obviously take a little bit longer, because now you're adding more data that you're requesting. And so keep in mind, the more things you add here, it will take slightly longer to generate your leads. Okay, now we're ready to find our leads, and doing it is super easy. So just hit the plus button right here to create a new tab. And so you can actually do multiple lead searches at a time, as you've seen here. But let's do a new search, and you have two options. You have AI assisted and manual. Let me show you AI assisted first. So let's say we run a marketing agency and I enter my marketing agency website right here and say we do like digital marketing services for small businesses and local businesses. And so we just enter that there. And what it's going to do is it's going to come up with the targets for us and suggest a few things. So you can actually hit quick start here and it'll basically enter all of the 12 keyword suggestions it found and 15 location suggestions. And so you can see it's got a whole bunch here. It's saying e-commerce store, fitness studio, real estate, law firms in Los Angeles, New York, London, England, Toronto, Sydney. And it makes sense because we're a marketing agency, and so we could really sell our services to almost any type of local business. So you could actually just hit start one per search, or you can just pick one of these, and then you can, start using that right there. You can just go over to load save search, and this is the one that just found for us, and then we can actually find those leads and just hit that. Now this is helpful if you want to generate a lot of leads, but personally I think this is really too big of a target, and so what I like to do is use the manual method. So just hit the plus button again and go to manual search, and now you can define your own parameters. So click on keywords and you just need to type what you're targeting. So yoga studios, for example, and let's say we wanted to do that in the United States. We wanted to choose California, and we're gonna choose, let's do Anaheim here, Anaheim, California. And then just hit options, and we wanna verify our emails. And let's keep that on, which is going to make sure that our emails are actually reachable and good quality, because we don't want to waste our time on poor emails. And then just hit find leads. And now Leadomator will start finding you your leads. One quick note about who this is best for. So this tool works best if you target local businesses like dentists, gyms, real estate agencies, law firms, and so on. But what it's not fit for is if you want to target, say, a very specific role within a very specific type of company, say engineers in software companies, then this really isn't the right tool for that. And so we can see that we've already gotten 54 leads right now, and we can see all the data there: website, phone, emails, the ones it's found, Instagram, LinkedIn, and the system is going to keep working here and generating more leads. And when it's done, it's gonna run the verification. Okay, so now it's done finding our leads, and we can see it start to verify each of the emails. And so you can see which ones are valid and good, which ones it can't quite verify, which ones are invalid and bad, which ones are risky. So this way, you're not wasting your time, as I said, reaching out to poor quality leads, because why would you wanna say put in the time to personalize a message and the email just doesn't even get delivered because it was a bad email to begin with? And you can always see how many verification credits you have left up here. Again, verification is an optional step, and if you need more verification credits, you can always buy a credit pack. But I recommend it because you definitely don't want to waste your time personalizing messages too. So you can see how many verification credits you have here, and you can always purchase more verification credits if you need. But again, verification is an optional step. Okay, so now that the verification is done, what you can do is go to filters, and you can filter out the ones that aren't good. So let's say you only want good emails. Now you see our lead list goes down to 15 leads, and we have 15 highly targeted leads. For some, we have phone number, email, Instagram, and LinkedIn. So we have a lot of different ways to reach out, so we can create some really targeted messages to this list. And by the way, if this is a search that you're going to be running often, you can actually save the current search setup. Just hit save and then name it accordingly, and then you can pull it up anytime. Now, before we export our leads, I want to show you the AI enrichment feature, where we can actually get personalized messages written for each of these leads for us. So go back to settings, and then we're going to go to AI. Now, remember, we already trained the AI on our business, so it's going to create messages that are relevant to each of these leads, because it understands what our business is and what we offer. So what you're going to want to do is add an LLM provider. So this is the AI model you're going to use to write the responses. Don't worry, it's super easy. So as an example, let's use ChatGPT, but of course you can use Claude or Gemini or anything else you want. So just go choose your provider, hit add provider. And this is super easy to get. Just go to platform.openai.com if you already don't have an API key. And then all you're gonna do is go over to API keys and then just go create new secret key. Example, key Leadomator, and then hit create secret key. And then it's going to give you a key that you can then copy. And so copy that key, head back over to Leadomator and paste it in here. Then you're gonna wanna add some credits. So just look for credits here and go add credits under billing. And then just add credit to your balance. You can even put $5. That's all you need, and it's gonna last you a very long time. So now head back and just hit test connection, and you'll see that it was successfully connected. And after you test your connection, just turn on the toggle and then you're good to go. And then once we're done that, let's head back to the Yoga Studio search we did. Go to AI enrichment here and enable that. And now let's hit AI enrichment. And we of course only want to run it on the filtered rows, the 15 leads that are good quality. And we hit the button, and just like that, we see it writing customized emails for us. And so you can see it's talking about, how we can, align their services, and, because they offer unique infrared sauna workouts. And so it's talking about these personalized things for each of these businesses. As you can see, it's gone and read the websites, learned what they do, and sent a personalized email for each of them. And so for the sake of time, we won't read them all, but you can see right here that you have all your responses customized and personalized and written for you. And of course, you could also tweak these a little bit when you're sending your actual emails. And now we're ready to export our leads. Just hit export. And you can choose to export all, filtered, or verified contacts only. And I want to go with verified only, or you could have used filtered because it's doing the same thing. And you can choose your format here. Let's just go with Excel. And just like that, we get our Excel file. And now we can use all of the things that we have here. You can see the phone, emails, Instagram, LinkedIn, and the generated emails. And we can just put that into whatever platform that you use to send your emails. Or if you want to do something a little bit more advanced, you could also give this to something like an AI agent like Claude and have it send all of these emails for you, because everything is already done for you, the emails and the actual emails themselves. So you could do that as well. So that's how you can generate an almost unlimited number of local business leads without building some complicated scraping system yourself. You're not messing around with a bunch of tools that barely work together. You choose the businesses you want to target, verify the contact details, and export the list. But the real key to succeeding with local outreach is being highly targeted and thoughtful. I wouldn't try and blast hundreds or thousands of businesses with the same generic message. I'd niche down to 50 to 100 businesses at a time, look at the list carefully, and take the time to send thoughtful outreach messages. And if a lead is a good fit, don't rely on just one cold email. You can also follow up on LinkedIn, Instagram, phone, or text, depending on what makes sense for your business and the contact details you have. The goal is not just to get more leads. The goal is to make better use of each lead so you're reaching out to businesses you can actually help. If you want to try it out, I'll leave the link below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. And if you want more tools that can help you grow your business, make sure you subscribe. Speaking of which, if you want to see 2 more ways to generate qualified leads, check out these 2 videos right here. I'll see you in there.